I comb my hair every morning. I comb my hair every morning.
I shave my face before work. I shave my face before work.
I put cream on my face. I put cream on my face.
I use deodorant every day. I use deodorant every day.
I take a shower in the morning. I take a shower in the morning.
I dry myself with a towel. I dry myself with a towel.
I dry my hair with a hairdryer. I dry my hair with a hairdryer.
I use mouthwash after brushing. I use mouthwash.
I cut my nails when they are long. I cut my nails when they are long.
I look in the mirror before I leave. I look in the mirror before I leave.